Mag-live ba? Live?
Dul Julius.
Go,
cool.
Continue on Ontario 401 East for 20 kilometers.
Si Uy Bangas. Lance Boy.
Boy Rockers.
Going to Niagara Falls.
Binaw ka ng ikaw tong kalisa, kuan ba siya?
Loy. Loy! Gigos boy oh. Tangin lang yan.
Ano ba? Ano ba? Pag-ibon mo dito kasi pag-ubos yung battery mo.
Dul!
Wala na. NIAGARA. May ano dyan, may charger dyan.
Stop over me. Paul, go.
Wala akong magdala.
Nagtubil. Ngayon.
Kasi may ako sapatos, baby.
Oh, ayo, turaw. Bye, Bart. Yan. Kapi din, may dribay. Paul. Timurton. Turaw.
Wala pa ka nag-vlog Dre?
Lugsong may syudad.
Psst, Lance! Naka-red pa.
That person's off in there. And you be killed. So like the tops of things are all good. Just don't touch the bottom. So it's under there. You need to hit it, right? So let's just walk a little. It's interesting that the same shirt on.
Trading company. Tim Hortons. Oh, the tower.
Skywheel tayo ba?
Oh. Taas.
Sakay na ba eh?
Oh. La la la. Skywheel. Oh, ito view ngayon sa Niagara. Ay, yun palang bahay na baliktad, Trio.
Ah,
Yung bahay na baliktad.
ano baliktad daw?
Mamaya puntahan natin yan na. Yan, Niagara. Ayun.
Mas maganda yung ginawa dito sa pan ng Canada eh, no?
Is for interior lights, and the blue button will turn audio on and off.
Ito, may video. Kuhaan ba? Dinosaur Park, no? Alak ka. Ako takot din ako sa ano pre, heights eh. Pero
The Skywheel will rise 175 feet above the ground and provide a picture-perfect view of both the Canadian Horseshoe and American Falls. Combined water flow is estimated at over 750,000 gallons per second, which crash into the gorge below. Looking to the south, you'll see the Falls View Casino and the Skylon Tower, the Canadian Horseshoe Falls in the background. Further south, you'll see Marineland and their triple tower ride, the Skyscreamer. In the northerly direction, Casino Niagara is located across from the Rainbow Bridge, which joins Canada and the United States. Across the Rainbow Bridge lies Niagara Falls, New York, and the American Falls. Of course, the view to the east is of Niagara Falls, Ontario, and the surrounding region. The Skywheel was built by Chance Morgan Rides in Wichita, Kansas. Construction of the wheel took over 6 months, requiring a workforce of 200 people in order to complete the project for its opening in June of 2006. The wheel stands 53 meters tall and is equipped with 42 climate-controlled gondolas, which were designed and built in Switzerland. The speed of the wheel is set at approximately 4.5 kilometers per hour, which allows a perfect opportunity to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Excluding loading and unloading, a
mura lagi anod eh.
Mura na kaya ano to?
Ha? Gianod lang ba? No? Pura lagi anod.
Mabasa yung kapag magpadoon ka diha, no?
Oo.
Ayaw mag-video pag dito ka kay ayaw talaga. No?
Grabe ang tubig. US side.
И здесь будешь, пойдем здесь покупать.
Kabasa na yung gulong, ang tagat sa tubig.
Kabasa eh. Sugi nga talit si bay. Grabe nga tubig, no?
Buti hindi naubos, no?
Ha?
Hindi naubos.
Mga dol, mga agaw. Kana siya, kuana na siya diha, New York, USA na siya diha nga side. Kana makita nyo na ng mga nakablo diha, New York na diha. Nya kini siya, mo na siya ang USA Falls kana. Nya busay na sa US, katos pikas, mo tay busay sa Canada. Happy to be here, gaw, mga angkol. Nya kaloy sa Ginoo nakaabot at ring lugar. Salamat sa Ginoo. Niya sa katong akong mga katropa diha nga kuan